Can I actually make more money using AI tools? Let's find out. If you're like many of us, you've probably wondered how to boost your income, but it seems like every door you try to open requires more time, more skills, or more resources than you have. The good news is that artificial intelligence is here to change the game. AI tools can help you work smarter, not harder, and unlock new streams of income. We've all been there, feeling like we're stuck in a rut, trying to juggle too many tasks, and struggling to find the time or expertise to take our earning potential to the next level. It's tough to keep up with the demands of modern life, let alone find new ways to make money. But what if you could leverage AI to automate repetitive tasks, gain insights into new opportunities, and create value in ways you never thought possible? The truth is that our traditional ways of making money are being disrupted by AI. Many jobs and industries are being transformed, and those who adapt quickly will have a huge advantage. By embracing AI tools, you can stay ahead of the curve and unlock new sources of income. AI can also help you overcome your personal limitations. For instance, if you're not a skilled writer or designer, AI tools can help you create high-quality content or graphics in no time. If you're not a tech expert, AI can still help you analyze data, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Let's talk about some specific AI tools that can supercharge your earnings. First, there are tools like Jasper or Copy.ai that can help you create high-quality content, like blog posts, social media updates, or even entire ebooks, in a fraction of the time it would take to write them manually. These tools use natural language processing to generate engaging text that resonates with your audience. Another category of AI tools is marketing automation platforms like HubSpot or Marketo. These tools can help you streamline your marketing efforts, personalize your messages, and automate tasks like email marketing or lead generation. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on high-leverage activities like strategy or creative direction. Data analysis is another area where AI can make a huge impact. Tools like Google Analytics or Tableau can help you gain insights into your customers' behavior, preferences, and pain points. By understanding your audience better, you can create more targeted offers, optimize your pricing, and increase your conversions. AI-powered chatbots are another game changer. They can help you provide 24/7 customer support, answer frequently asked questions, and even help you qualify leads. By automating customer support, you can free up your team to focus on high-value tasks like sales or product development. One of the most surprising AI tools I've come across is a platform called Deep Dream Generator. It uses AI to create surreal and dreamlike images that can be sold as art or used for commercial purposes. This tool shows how AI can unlock entirely new sources of income, even in creative industries. The potential for AI to boost your earnings is huge. By leveraging these tools, you can automate tasks, gain insights, and create new opportunities. Whether you're a freelancer, entrepreneur, or simply someone looking to supplement your income, AI can help. To sum it up, AI is no longer just a buzzword, it's a powerful asset that can help you generate more income. From content creation to marketing automation, data analysis, and more, there are countless ways to use AI to your advantage. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more content on AI and earning strategies.